Let me show you how to change your YouTube short thumbnail on both desktop and on mobile. Hey everyone, my name is Jewel Tolentino from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you how to change your YouTube short thumbnail on desktop computer. So I'm in my YouTube channel right now, and I'm on the Shorts tab. Go to whatever short you want to change the thumbnail on. I'm just going to do the latest one here. Click on the pencil icon, and if you scroll down a bit, just ignore this stuff right here. This is an extra extension that I have installed. But you see here, this is the original thumbnail. If you click the three dots, you can see here three options: change, download, and select from video. So if you have your own specific one that you've created, you can click change. And to select it from the actual video, click on that. Now, the only downside with select frame from your video on desktop is that they only give you three options. So you're gonna wanna hope that one of those three options is good. I actually like the original thumbnail, so I'm not actually gonna choose from one of these three, but if you did like one of them, you would just click done and then it would change it up. So I'm just gonna click cancel. And then if you did click done, you want to click save. And then that will change the thumbnail of your YouTube short. And this is how to do it on desktop. So now let's switch over to the cellular phone, mobile. So this one's a little bit weird, and this is how it is at the time of filming this video, August 2026. You want to go to your YouTube app, like where you watch from, and make sure you are signed in as your channel. So right now I'm on my YouTube app signed in as Essetino Media. Click on the bottom right, and then you're gonna have your channel, right? Click on view channel, and then it's gonna take you to your YouTube channel. From here, you want to scroll to shorts, which is right there. And then you see that same short is right there. You click on the three dots, and then you wanna click on edit. Don't click Edit Advanced Settings in Studio. For the thumbnail, you want to specifically just click Edit. And then there's a pencil icon on the top left of your thumbnail. The YouTube short thumbnail. So I'm going to click on that. And then from here, it's going to look like this. And this is going to allow you to choose any frame of the short. So this actually gives you much more option than the desktop version, because if you can scroll across and get the exact moment that you want just by scrolling down at the bottom there. And you can also add text if you want. So you can add some extra stuff on here. Test. If you wanted to, like if you wanted to add some text on there, and then you can move the text too. So on mobile, they give you way more options. And then obviously when you're done, you click the top right with the check mark. I don't want to save any of this, so I'm actually going to click X. But once you do that, it's going to save it. It's going to get to this page, and then you would just click save, because you would see the new thumbnail that you made on the top left. And then you would just click the save button. I don't want to change it because I like the current thumbnail, but that is how you quickly change a YouTube short thumbnail both on desktop and on mobile. And remember, mobile does give you much more options because you can add text and you can get the exact frame in the video. Hit the thumbs up button if this video was helpful. And if you want to dive deeper into YouTube with us, check out our Substack. It's called the Profitable YouTube Playbook. The link for that will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.